Hello and welcome to the Miniature Cottage tutorial. I'm your host, Unfocused NIA, and today I will be showing you how to make this miniature kit available on my website. Here is a rundown of all of the items included in the kit. To begin, start by gluing side A to side B and repeating with the second set of side A and side B. This will create the base to work from. Next, glue on roof piece C and repeat with the second roof piece C. Now take your long roof shingles, part E, and cut them so that they look like shingles. Once completed, attach them to the roof. You have the option of leaving the shingles shabby or cleaning them up by cutting off the ends. Now take short roof shingles, part F, and bend them slightly over the edge of the top of the roof. For the door, part G, we will need a hobby knife cut downwards to create a wooden door effect. Attach the door to your cottage. I chose side A. Next up, we get to have fun with egg cartons, part H. Gluing the egg cartons to the outside of the base of the cottage will create the look of stone. It looks like our door needs a handle and some hinges. If you have an extra short roof shingle, use this cardstock piece. If not, any cardstock piece available will work. For the handle, take a small sliver of cardstock and roll one edge and bend the other. Glue as you see fit. Next, we will take the coffee stirrer sticks, part D, and cover the roof edges, cutting them to size. Time to paint. As an option, I'm going to seal the miniature cottage with Mod Podge mixed with black acrylic paint. Then paint over it again with another layer of black acrylic paint. Next, dry brush white over black to create lightened shadows. It's best to use a paper towel instead of what I'm doing here. Then start layering your colors. For the roof, I'm using blue, but use any color you like. Moving on to the stone walls, I'm layering colors found in nature, greens, yellows, reds, and oranges, to create a mossy look on the rocks. Next up, a base coat of red on the door. Now that we have the base colors down, I'm going to highlight the roof and the door with lighter blue and lighter red. We're going to dry brush in the same fashion that we did with the white against the black. To cover the seam of the door, you can use the bag of rocks, or part J, and glue them around the edge of the door. Adding moss to the outside of our cottage will be the last step. Glue wherever you like around the stones, adding green or orange flocking, part I, to create the look of moss. Shake off any excess and save that flocking for future projects. Seal the flocking using a mixture of glue and water. You can use the enclosed pipette to make it a little easier to distribute the glue water mixture. Here's a look at a second miniature I made using this miniature kit. I included windows and orange flocking in this build. And your miniature cottage is finished. Thank you so much for joining me for this miniature cottage kit tutorial. It was a delight to lead you through this build. For more information, please visit my Ko-fi. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. Until next time.